In this video, we show you how to make a travois.
A travois is a pull sled that was originally used by the First Nations to transport one's goods.
You could use this in a survival situation to transport an injured or extremely sick person to a safer location, or to cross a portage on a canoe trip.
Or in our case, to transport heavy logs for our fire and building materials for our shelter.
That's right. Let's show you how we built this one.
The only tool we'll be using to build this travois is our knives. To construct this travois, you're going to need two 12 to 15 foot hardwood poles.
And 4 cross poles ranging from 5 feet to 3 feet, tapering in length.
With strength and stability in mind, look for intersecting branches off of your main structure in your cross poles to add to the strength and durability of your travois. We're going to be using 2 knots to lash our cross poles onto our structure of our travois. The first knot is called an overhand slip knot, and all I'm going to be doing is making a loop with my cordage, going around that loop in my main finger, tucking the tag end through the loop, pulling through, tightening that up, and what that does is it gives me an adjustable noose that I can either make smaller or bigger. Then all I'm going to do is take my tag ends and do what's called a cross wrap, and this is going to help secure my cross pole to the actual structure. At this point, I'm just going to cross over. That way I'm getting a full cross wrap. So now that I got a solid lash, I'm just going to be going around and doing what's called frapping. And that's taking the cordage and going between the brace pole, my cross pole, and the cordage that's already on. And the last knot that I'm going to be showing you is called a surgeon's knot. And this is a basic knot, and all you're going to do is do an overhand knot once, twice. You're going to pull tight to bind that lashing. And then to secure it, you're just going to do another overhand knot.
If you don't have any cordage with you, you could take a shoelace or a strap or something from a coat, or you could dig up some root. These are spruce root that we split in half, and they also work as lashing. That'll give it a nice smooth bottom so it drags a little easier. All right, let's see if this thing actually can pull a human. So, assuming I'm injured or really sick, and my partner here needs to take me to a safe location, we're crossing a portage, hit it, let's see what we can do. This works really good. All the way home, please. Hope I don't have to tip him. Oh! 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 He always forgets to put me down lately.
I fell on that one.